The legal system is a complex machinery of rules and procedures designed to ensure justice and order. At its foundation lie three fundamental pillars: jurisdiction, discovery, and precedent. These principles, though seemingly abstract, are the very bedrock upon which our legal system is built. They ensure fairness, consistency, and predictability in the application of the law. Jurisdiction, in essence, is the court's power to hear and decide a case. It determines which court has the authority to adjudicate a specific legal dispute. Discovery, on the other hand, is the process by which parties involved in a lawsuit can obtain evidence from each other. This process ensures a level playing field and allows for a fair presentation of facts. Precedent, the final pillar, refers to the legal principle by which courts are bound to follow previously decided cases with similar facts and legal issues. This doctrine, known as stare decisis, ensures predictability and consistency in the application of the law. Understanding these three fundamental principles is crucial to navigating the complexities of the legal system. They are the invisible threads that hold the fabric of justice together, ensuring fairness, consistency, and the rule of law. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into each of these concepts, examining their nuances and their crucial roles in the pursuit of justice. The United States operates under a dual system of courts, federal courts and state courts. This division of judicial authority necessitates a clear understanding of which court holds jurisdiction over a particular case. Federal courts, established by the Constitution, have limited jurisdiction. They primarily hear cases involving federal law, such as those concerning bankruptcy, patents, and copyrights, as well as disputes between citizens of different states. State courts, on the other hand, have broader jurisdiction and handle a wider range of cases. These include matters involving state law, such as personal injury, family law, and contract disputes. The specific division of subject matter jurisdiction between state and federal courts is complex and often depends on the specific facts of a case. Consider, for example, a car accident involving citizens of different states. If the accident occurred in California and the plaintiff chooses to file a lawsuit in California State Court, the court would have jurisdiction over the case based on the location of the incident. However, if the amount in controversy exceeds a certain threshold set by federal law, the defendant may have the right to remove the case to federal court. Understanding the nuances of federal and state jurisdiction is crucial for both plaintiffs and defendants. Choosing the wrong court can result in a case being dismissed, leading to costly delays and potentially impacting the outcome of the litigation. Once a court has established jurisdiction over a case, the litigation process moves into the discovery phase. This critical stage allows both the plaintiff and the defendant to obtain information and evidence from each other. Discovery serves as a powerful tool for uncovering the truth, ensuring that both sides have a fair opportunity to present their case. The rules of discovery are designed to be broad, allowing parties to request a wide range of information. This can include documents, emails, text messages, photographs, and even testimony from witnesses. The purpose of this broad access to information is to prevent surprises at trial and to encourage settlement by ensuring that both sides have a clear understanding of the strengths and weaknesses of their respective positions. Imagine, for instance, a lawsuit involving a breach of contract. Through the discovery process, the plaintiff might request to see all contracts between the defendant and other parties, financial statements and internal communications related to the contract in question. This information could be crucial in proving the defendant's liability and the extent of the plaintiff's damages. Discovery, therefore, plays a vital role in ensuring fairness and transparency in the legal system. It allows for a more thorough examination of the facts, reduces the potential for surprises at trial, and promotes a more just outcome. While subject matter jurisdiction determines which court system can hear a case, personal jurisdiction focuses on the court's power over a particular defendant. This concept is rooted in the idea of fairness, ensuring that individuals and businesses are not subjected to lawsuits in jurisdictions where they have no meaningful connection. The traditional test for personal jurisdiction required a defendant to be physically present within the state where the lawsuit was filed. However, the rise of the Internet, E-commerce and globalized business operations has significantly complicated this analysis. Courts have adapted to these changes, developing the concept of minimum contacts to establish personal jurisdiction over out-of-state defendants. The minimum contacts test examines the defendant's interactions with the forum state. For example, if an online retailer based in California sells and ships a defective product to a customer in Texas, a Texas court may exercise personal jurisdiction over the California company. This is because the company has purposefully availed itself of the privilege of doing business in Texas, even without a physical presence. Determining personal jurisdiction in the digital age can be complex, often requiring a nuanced analysis of online activities, business transactions, and the defendant's connection to the forum state. The evolving nature of technology continues to challenge traditional notions of personal jurisdiction, prompting courts to adapt legal principles to the realities of a globally connected world.